video. My name is Antonia and I'm filming in my kitchen today because I just came back from the grocery store and I thought, hey, I could film a grocery haul video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the healthy items that I picked up from the grocery store in this week's grocery haul. So let's get into that. But first, if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know what items you like to pick up from your grocery store on a weekly basis. So let's get into this grocery haul. Okay, so we're just gonna jump right in. The first thing that I see here is the Cafe Bustelo coffee. This is a pack of 6 individual singles. I like to take these to work and I keep them in my desk drawer for a morning cup of coffee every day. This is actually one of my favorite coffees. If you haven't tried Bustelo, you need to try it. You're missing out. Next, I just bought some bottled water and I've been drinking the not Bustelo, that's coffee. I've been drinking the alkaline water and this is the Kroger brand. It has a pH balance of 9.5, which is really good. I think anywhere from 7.5 or higher is a good pH balance. Also, I got some yogurt. This is the Greek non-fat vanilla yogurt, and it's the Simple Truth organic brand that they have at Kroger. I'm not sure if I mentioned, but I went grocery shopping at Kroger this morning. So all of these items are from Kroger. I do try to do organic as much as I can. I don't do everything organic because that can be kind of expensive, but I do try to make the best choices that I can. In an affordable way. So I did see that this yogurt was marked down to $2.99. It had been $5.79, so that's a really good deal. I like to do individual cups of yogurt to take to work in my lunch every day. So I'll be prepping that for the week after this video. Also, I got some milk. I'm trying to stay away from cow's milk, so I was wanting to find some other type of milk that I could drink, and so I've tried several different ones. I've tried the almond milk by itself, I've tried cashew milk by itself, I've tried soy milk, I've tried all these different ones, but it wasn't until I found the almond and cashew milk that I was like, yes, this works. It actually tastes good. The texture doesn't weird me out. So I have really been enjoying this milk. This is the Silk Protein Nut Milk with almond and cashews, and I really enjoy that so far. Okay, so next I have a couple of juices. So this is from the Suja brand and it's organic. They have several different flavors, but the one I picked up is water, strawberry, raspberry, lemon, honey, tart cherry. It also has probiotics and stevia. It is USDA organic and non-GMO verified. So I've really been enjoying these as well. You do have to shake them up because you know the contents will settle at the bottom, but that just means that it's natural. Also, I picked up some kombucha. I am in love with kombucha. This is by the Simple Truth organic brand at Kroger. So I picked up the strawberry lemonade and I also picked up the blueberry grape. This has live probiotics as well, USDA organic, non-GMO, so all that good stuff. Let me tell you, this is a miracle worker, or it has been for me. It's really helped with a lot of stomach issues that I've had in the past, and I don't know what it is about it, but I am forever a fan. Okay, so today is Cinco de Mayo, and so they did have a lot of coupons and sales in celebration of that. One thing they had was the Simple Truth organic tortilla chips on sale for 99 cents. And if you know anything about these tortilla chips at Kroger, they are not usually that price. So they can be quite pricey, but I love the sweet potato corn tortilla chips. They're my favorite, so I got a pack of those for 99 cents. And then they had the private selection salsa on sale for 99 cents, and my favorite salsa is the black bean and corn. So this is a 24-ounce jar for 99 cents. I think it retailed for $2.99, so that was a really good deal as well. I picked up a can of black beans, and that looks so random sitting here, but there's a reason for it. This is one of the ingredients in my weekly meal prep that I'll be doing later on today. If you would like a video on how I meal prep my meals, then leave a comment down below or give this video a thumbs up and I can film that for you. I just find it so much easier and healthier if you prep your meals for the week, and that way you're not like trying to figure out at the last minute what you're going to eat for dinner or for lunch or for a snack. You just go pick it up and it's ready to go, and it's usually something healthy versus going out to a fast food place that you're just gonna waste calories on basically. So I can do that video for you. Just let me know if that's something you would like to see. I picked up 2 avocados, self-explanatory. I did pick up some mesquite smoked turkey breast just in case if I decide to maybe have a turkey sandwich for lunch instead of one of my meal preps, just to kind of switch it up. I did pick up some honey wheat bread. I got a bag of frozen chicken tenders or chicken strips. Those are good to have on hand just for those random times you don't know what to eat, and you know it's something you can add to like a salad and make a chicken salad or something like that. So love those. And the next thing I have is some quinoa. This is the tricolor quinoa, and it's the boil in a bag, so these are pretty easy to do. You just drop the bag in water, boil it, and it's done. There's 4 bags in here. I usually add quinoa to like some brown rice, and then I add vegetables and things like that, but that's another meal prep idea. But I can, like I said, film that for you if you'd like to see my meals that I prep for the week. This is balsamic and basil vinaigrette that I add to my dish for my meal prep, and I grabbed a bag of spinach that I add in there as well. I have a whole dish that I don't even know what to call it. I just kind of made it up myself, but it's really good and it's really healthy and it's really filling. And then I picked up some granola to go with my yogurt. This is my all-time favorite granola. I pick this up every time I go to the grocery store. This is the Love Crunch Premium Organic Granola, and I get it in the dark chocolate and peanut butter. Oh my gosh, and it has actual peanuts in it, little chunks of chocolate, and the granola is like divine. That's pretty much it for my grocery haul for this week. Let me know if you enjoyed this video by giving it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you would like to see more videos like this. And thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.